Hey guys, this is your first Java lesson. It's going to be kind of a short one. There's not a whole lot to it, but it's going to seem like a lot because you've never seen this type of jargon before. But don't worry, after we get a little bit further and after a few videos, it'll start to make a little bit more sense. I'm going to ask you to trust me on a few things just because even if I tried to explain it to you, it wouldn't make any sense right now. But as we go, we'll start to delve into the more interesting stuff, and all this is going to come together. Um, to get this program that you need to write code in, you can either use Eclipse, which is what I'm using right now, or actually I'm using an Eclipse that the Stanford OpenCourseware uses. You can download the regular Eclipse, NetBeans, or there's a couple other IDEs out there that you can use. I have a video that shows you how to get that and a few other little things that you're going to need. So if you want to know how to get it, I'll put the link in the description down below. So let's go ahead and put your first Java program together. Let's go ahead and start out by saying new in Java project. Since this is your first, we'll say first project. And we'll hit finish. You're going to see a SRC down here, a source down here. Don't worry about it. Click new class. And we will say hello world. And click finish. And as you see, a default package came down below. Meanings, again, trust me, don't worry about it. As soon as you need to know, we'll get there. As far as how to start the program, there's a little construct that you're going to use for the main method. The main method, it contains the instructions that pretty much tell what the computer what to do. Let's go ahead and start this out. We'll say public static void main string args. Oops. And so this is gonna, everything in this here is going to contain all of the instructions. It's going to make or tell it exactly what to do. And then we'll go ahead and write something in here just to kind of explain it. Public static void main string args. Don't worry about what that means. This just means the arguments in the command line. Don't worry about the specifics yet. Public just means that other classes can access this information. Don't worry about static. Void just means that it's not going to return any values or anything like that. It's just going to run the program. And again, main is the main method that it can use. Again, if something that I say doesn't make sense, just post it post it down below, and I'll try to answer it for you as simply as I can. So let's go ahead and tell it to start or print something. So let's say system.out. You'll see that that it kind of gives you suggestions. It shows you what the options are that you could possibly use. There's a whole lot of stuff, and it's just really cool to go in here and see stuff. And you can actually type it out, or you can just go down there, click enter. We're just going to do print line, and then within these parentheses, we're just going to put quote hello world exclamation point, because it's pretty cool, and then just put a semicolon at the end. When you put a semicolon at the end, it tells the computer that is the end of your statement, and it'll go on to the next line after that. Let's go ahead and compile this and run it. So usually once you do it after the first time, you can just click the big arrow right there, or since it's the first one and it doesn't know what to do, go right click, go to run as Java application, or you can go to the run menu, go to run as Java application. It'll say select resources to save hello world.java, click OK, and there it is. Hello world. Well, you just created your first program. I hope that was kind of cool. The first time that I did it, my mind was absolutely blown that I could create a program that would actually print something out. If you have any questions, again, post them down below, and I will see you